Number 8. One morning, Mrs. Perry said to her husband, "Jack, there's a meeting of our ladies' club at Mrs. Young's house at lunchtime today, and I want to go to it. I'll leave you some food for your lunch. Is that all right?" "Oh, yes," her husband answered. "That's quite all right. What are you going to leave for my lunch?" "This tin of fish," Mrs. Perry said, "and there are some cold boiled potatoes and some beans here too." "Good," Mr. Perry answered. "I'll have a good lunch." So Mrs. Perry went to her meeting. All the ladies had lunch at Mrs. Young's house, and at 3 o'clock Mrs. Perry came home. "Was your fish nice, Jack?" she asked. "Yes, but my feet are hurting," he answered. "Why are they hurting?" Mrs. Perry asked. "Well, the words on the tin were, 'Open tin and stand in hot water for 5 minutes.'"
Now answer these questions. Number 1. Why didn't Mrs. Perry want to cook her husband's lunch? Number 2. What did she leave him for his lunch? Number 3. Did Mr. Perry enjoy his lunch? Number 4. What was the matter with his feet? Number 5. What mistake did Mr. Perry make when he read the words on the tin?